If you've forgotten your Deezer password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Deezer app or website. Go to the Deezer app on your device or visit the Deezer website on your computer. Step 2. Click on Login. On the home page, locate and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Step 3. Select Forgot Your Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Password link and click on it. This will initiate the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Deezer account. Type in your email and submit the form. Step 5. Check your email for instructions. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Deezer. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Deezer account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Deezer's customer support for further assistance.